Hello, everyone. My name is Deshaun Brothwaite, the owner and founder of DB Data Hoop Scouting. DB Data Hoop Scouting is a basketball data-driven company that uses advanced analytics to keep track of players and teams' performances throughout the games and throughout the season. Here in DB Data Hoop Scouting, the type of advanced metric we collect on offense, we keep track of points per possession on isolations, pick and rolls, spot ups and post ups. We keep track of players' efficiencies, going left, going right. We keep track of players' frequencies of shots at the rim, mid range, and then beyond the 3 point line. And on defense, just to name a few, what we collect is points per possession allowed on isolations, pick and rolls, spot ups, and post ups. And then for teams, we will keep track of a team's offensive ratings, defensive ratings, rebound percentage, those type of the advanced metrics with the points per possession I mentioned earlier. But we would also do it from a team concept. We offer that as well. Here also in DB Data Hoop Scouting, we offer one-on-one film sessions where our coaches here in the Atlanta area. We do these film sessions through Zoom. So it's not just for people that's just in Georgia, but people throughout the world. And so the idea behind that was we want to offer a second set of eyes to help players to to watch the film with them, to help critique their game, to see what they can get better at. And also here in DB Data Hoop Scouting, what we also offer is we have our camps. We actually having our first camp tomorrow here in Canton, Georgia. And the first day, normally we want to do in our camps is drills to help players get better with their basic fundamentals when it comes to the game, like ball handling, shooting, like footwork drills. So we would do that. Then the second day in our camps will be our scrimmage, and with our scrimmage we're gonna collect, like after the scrimmage, we will collect like some of the advanced metrics, like some I mentioned, like the points per possession of isolations, spot ups, pick and rolls, efficiencies going left and right. We will collect some of the stats on the players that perform in the scrimmage, and we will put that in our stat sheet. And after the scrimmage as well, we will write like a scouting report on the players, so just they can see like where they're a scouting report from our coaches, just to let people know, and also myself because I'm a basketball scout as well, and to see a player's strengths and weaknesses to see what he can improve upon. So that's what we offer there. But then let's make that transition to the games. So if let's say a player isn't want us to watch the film of whatever game he or she sent, we will same thing. We will collect the stats of the game of what the player sent, and then afterwards we write a sky report, and then we will send that information to the players so they can see it for themselves. And the question is why we're doing this. Oh, before I jumping ahead to myself, excuse me. And we will do the same thing for teams. So the teams want us to collect stats of like how well they're performing. So like do offensive rating, defensive rating, do man-to-man, do zone, early shot clock offense, their numbers of pick and rolls, rebounding percentage. We offer that as well, and we write the sky report of the team, so they can see they can see their strengths and weaknesses, and we'll see where they can improve upon. So that now, what I was trying to get to the first time earlier is why we're doing this. So the reason why I'm doing this, and I started this company, is because I want to maximize players and teams' potential during the season, after the season, on the court, on the floor, off the floor, excuse me. So like during the season, you want to keep track of your stats to see your progression, how well, what you're trending up on or what you're trending down upon. And we have like coaches there to help you, train you to help you get better. And similar with teams, like you want to see stats of like what your team's strengths and weaknesses at, so you can maximize your team's performance, so you can win you some games. And then the off the court stuff, what the training and like with the film sessions and the camps and stuff is we want to maximize players' potentials of whatever basketball journey they want to take themselves in. So like you're a high school kid that wants to play JV or try out for JV or try out for varsity, or you're a guy that's trying to make D1, D2, JUCO, or you're a guy that's trying to play overseas, and or you're a guy that's trying to make the G League or even to make NBA. We here in DB Dad Hoop Scouting, we're trying to maximize that for you. So we're trying to help you get better so you can achieve your dreams. And like with a team, our goal is to just to help you is to help your team win games. That's the objective behind it, and that's why I started this company. And I'm looking forward to providing a service of helping players maximize their goals and their potential and helping teams win games. Thank you very much.